This is actually my first Workamajig Bootcamp.
This is my second bootcamp.
I'm hoping to learn at Bootcamp how to utilize to-dos better.
Resourcing, staff schedules, traffic calendars, different resourcing functions, how to edit and delete spec sheets.
Anything that I can learn is going to help me make us more efficient as an agency.
Bootcamps was a direct response to our clients' request for something more intimate and something more focused on very specific areas of the workflow.
What I like most about the bootcamps is the chance to meet the Workamajig team that's been so helpful on training sessions in the past.
So the ability to sit with a support person and talk through just your specific concerns that you might have is really helpful.
What I find satisfying about the bootcamp experience is being able to have a one-on-one with a client in a personal setting, or they bring a question to the table and say, we've struggled with this for a couple months now.
I like hearing the challenges. I love it when a client says, I'm trying to do this, but I can't get it to work.
What's satisfying is seeing the client gain that aha moment where they see something and it finally clicking on how it can be beneficial for their company.
And also though, just the joy that I can see on their face, live, not just through a virtual camera setup.
One of the really satisfying things about Bootcamp is sitting next to the clients even at lunch and hearing about how they're going to take this all back to their team.
Within the first half hour of training, I teared up a little bit because I learned about something that was so awesome, and I can't wait to take it back to the agency.
You will get to not only meet with us one-on-one, but also an opportunity to meet your peers.
They set up relationships, they can ask questions to each other.
Just the camaraderie of the people that are here and learning from them is a huge help.
You need to come to a boot camp.
The perfect candidate for attending the boot camps are the key stakeholders at the agency's particular role and functions of their workflows.
If they really want to get their company a little bit more into project management.
Send the person that loves the product, wants to learn the product, go to boot camp.
I think Workamajig is great in that we get to solve agency problems every day, providing them with solutions that they can use to increase their efficiencies and increase their bottom line. And in return, that's a reflection on Workamajig's success.